Now we are going to solve the second problem in 7th Roman letter in Atomic Physics and Nuclear Physics chapter. What is mentioned in the problem? Gopal, the specimen, emits induced radiation of 75.6 millicurie. It is given. Curie is the unit of activity. Are you clear? How much amount of atoms are that are disintegrated per second? That measurement can be measured by Curie. So here the amount of radiation, amount of activity is given in terms of millicurie. This one must be converted into Curie. 1 millicurie is equal to, I will write it here, 1 millicurie can be written as 10 to the power of minus 3 curie. First this one must be converted into millicurie into curie. So 75.6 millicurie means 75.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 curie. Here curie is used as a unit. Are you clear? What is asked in the problem? Convert this value, convert this disintegration into becquerel. Becquerel is another unit of activity. You should know one thing, that how to convert curie into becquerel. 1 curie is equal to, 1 curie is equal to, this conversion also must be known, 3.7 into 10 to the power of 10 becquerel. 3.7 into 10 to the power of 10 becquerel is equal to 1 curie. Curie is the biggest unit. Becquerel is a small unit. This conversion also must be known. Here we know how much amount of radiation is emitted in terms of Curie. How to convert this Curie value into becquerel? What is the next step? Now I am going to tell you how to convert. Conversion. Now we are going to do the conversion calculation. Are you clear? Now the same induced radiation, or you can call it as activity. It is actually, it should be called as activity is equal to 75.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3. We know very well that 1 curie is equal to 3.7 into 10 to the power of 10 becquerel. That must be multiplied here. 3.7 into 10 to the power of 10. After multiplying that answer, that one becomes automatically, it is converted into becquerel. Multiply both the two numbers. First you multiply this two, you will get 279.72 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10 to the power of 10 becquerel. After simplification you will get 279.72 into 10 to the power of 10 to the power of minus 3. You will get 10 to the power of 7 becquerel. So this is the equivalent value of activity in terms of becquerel. Is it clear? For this particular value. Therefore finally we can write it as 75.6 millicurie will be equal to this much amount of becquerel. So this is the final answer to be arrived. Okay.